Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best crypto withdrawal method. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want the easiest way to move money out of Kraken, here are the top options. So for United States user, ACH withdrawal are the simplest, no fee and usually processed within a couple of business days, making it a great for small or regular cash out. If you need speed or you are moving a larger amount, wire transfer are the best choice. FedWire is fast for United States Bank, while SwiftWire or SwiftWalk for international users, though fee are very high. If you prefer holding your assets yourself, withdrawing to an external crypto wallet is the most flexible method. Just pick the right network, enable 2FA and whitelist your wallet for extra safety, and for multi-currency users, eternal custody offer an additional route for moving funds, though it had an extra step. If this helps you, hit the like, subscribe for more quick crypto tips, and comment which Kraken features you want breakdown next. And that's it.